What's up, brothers? I'm JK with Porn Reboot, and today I'm going to be talking about 2 ways that you can respond to the current situation in our world. Now, our world is obviously never going to be the same again. If you're struggling with an out of control behavior with porn and masturbation, the truth is you will be at a high risk for a relapse. So let me get real with you. In the next 12 weeks, many men will go from being what I call level 2 addicts, that's occasional porn users, to level 6 addicts, that's acting out in real life, watching illegal material, getting addicted to gay and she-male pornography, developing disturbing new fetishes, perhaps violent rape and other sorts of illegal pornography, illegal genres. Pornhub and other porn sites are experiencing record-breaking traffic as more of the population is confined to their homes to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So there are 2 ways that you can respond as a man who's rebooting. The first option is to attack. That is, go on the offensive. Rally and encourage your family. Tighten your boundaries. Increase your investment in improving your mindsets, improving your finances, and any areas of weakness that you have. Seek opportunities to thrive while others focus on surviving. Take action. The second option is to play defense. Be a victim, play safe, cut spending, get scared, give in to anxiety, keep your family in a state of paranoia and fear, compulsively watch the news, worry about your job instead of finding new income sources, lose hope. Which do you choose? One of these puts you in control. It allows you to build up extra reserves of what we call reboot capital, an arsenal of coping strategies, an iron mindset. Save your family and your livelihood from whatever is about to happen in the world. The other forces you to be a passive observer. It allows the fate of your reboot and your life to rest on uncontrollable forces. It gets you stuck to the TV. It has you masturbating and watching pornography to take the edge off your stress and anxiety. It puts you in default mode to lose. Neither may work, that's the truth, but one allows you to go to bed at night knowing that you did your very best. Another leaves you impotent, waiting for someone else to solve your problems. But you get to pick your path. So which do you choose? Do you choose to play the victim, or do you choose to take responsibility and accept the fact that the past decade was probably the best time in history for any man to regain control of his life and achieve all his dreams? And now is actually the time to get to work, not to roll over and kind of see what happens. Now, personally, I choose attack. I choose not to sit back and give in to fear. I choose not to accept the fact that the economy sucks, right? We choose not to roll over and die over here at Porn Reboot. Our clients are doubling down over the next 12 weeks. We will create the best reboot results in Porn Reboot's history this year. I'm certain of this, and there are 2 reasons why. The first reason is because most men are scared. How do I know? Men all over the world are diving even deeper into pornography. I'm receiving emails from men who are freaking out about being at home for days, potentially months, because they fear that they're going to undo all the progress that they've made rebooting so far. Everyone is spending less in order to play defense. Men are scared. In times of crises, men who act in spite of their fears are the ones who win. Now at Porn Reboot, we are anti-fear and anti-playing small. All our clients understand that fear activates biochemical reactions which lead to a relapse. We work with high achievers, and if you're wired that way, here's what to expect. If you're in a career where climbing the corporate ladder matters, you will perform better and you will be able to demonstrate more leadership if you're not acting out of fear. Our clients are investing more in the skills that make them better at their careers. If you run a competitive business, you will expand as your competitors play safe and cut expenses. Our clients who are business owners, who are entrepreneurs, are spending more in advertising. They're forming new partnerships and they're even creating new products. Our clients want to thrive, and we are stepping up in a huge way to support them. At Porn Reboot, we're spending more time than ever creating more powerful resources and support, from expanding our curriculum to include managing marriages affected by porn addiction, which is betrayal reboots, to dealing with over 11 different types of fetishes, training clients in powerful mindfulness techniques, providing a full recovery program exclusively for PIED, that's PIED Reboot, and an in-depth HOCD course, homosexual obsessive compulsive disorder, and even expanding our support from 90 days to 1 full year. Now, personally, over the past few weeks, I've probably spent just over $15,000 on mentorship and my personal development. And I'm the kind of person who sees the opportunity to get better and get better faster with all the extra time I'm going to have at home. The second reason is because that we're going to do quite well is because everyone wants the same thing, which is security. See, every man is worried about the same things right now. That means retreating into your home and playing small is so tempting. You think security means less exposure to risk and avoiding dangerous situations, avoiding dangerous situations with your health, socially and financially. The reality is that real security comes from being prepared. So aside from being prepared to weather a storm, the biggest challenge is going to be mental preparation. My question for you is, are you mentally prepared for tough times, economically, socially, and otherwise? Are you mentally prepared to deal with a loved one potentially getting sick? Are you mentally prepared for government-imposed quarantine and that leading to lack of access to basic commodities? Or will you crumple under pressure, right? Will you become a scared, overwhelmed addict, jerking off anxiously as you try desperately to block out the reality of our current world? See, our clients know that while there might not have been serious consequences a few months ago, they simply cannot allow the negative effects of porn addiction to hold them back at this crucial time in history. Brain fog, fatigue, loss of focus, intrusive and distracting sexual thoughts, irritability, depression, all of these things must go. The third reason is your loved ones need you now more than ever. Many of your family members are scared and it's uncertain out there. However, I want you to know that it's your job as a man to show how playing offense rather than defense is the best thing that you can do to help your family thrive in these times. You cannot support them if you're hooked on pornography and masturbation. So, brother, don't let your wife, your girlfriend, your parents, or your kids succumb to fear and uncertainty, right? That's how we're thinking and acting at Porn Reboot. And my question is, how about you? What are you thinking right now? Do you want to roll over and accept what comes, or do you want to go on the attack? Brother, if you'd like to speak to one of our specialists and create a custom reboot plan for your particular situation, visit our link in the description below this video. I'm JK, your brother in this struggle, and I'm here to support you through this tough time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with 2 or 3 men whom you feel might find it helpful. Have a wonderful day.